judge.
Maglaro ng cellphone buong maghapon.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pamilya, kaibigan, pera at iba pa.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pamilya, animals, kwarta.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pamilya, kaibigan, pera.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pera, kaibigan, umpam.
We listen and we don't judge.
Online games.
We listen and we don't judge.
Making content for my YouTube channel.
We listen and we don't judge.
Maglaro ng email noon at magbasa ng Biblia ngayon.
We listen and we don't judge.
Noon, paglalaro sa labas kasama aking mga kaibigan. Ngayon, paglalaro ng cellphone.
We listen and we don't judge.
Noon, maglaro sa labas. Ngayon is matulog.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ngayon, noon, pakikipaglaro sa aking mga kaibigan sa labas. Ngayon, ay matulog na.
We listen and we don't judge.
Noon, matulog at ngayon ay
We listen and we don't judge.
Noon maglaro sa labas, ngayon maglaro ng online games.
We listen and we don't judge.
Noon naglalaro ng soccer, ngayon naglalaro ng online games.
We listen and we don't judge.
Alamin ang mga bagay na hindi gusto ng Panginoon sa isang tao.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagdodrawing.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagkain at magtulog.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagbibisikleta kasama ang mga kaibigan.
We listen and we don't judge.
Paglilinis at pagbibisikleta.
We listen and we don't judge.
Makatapos sa pag-edit ng video.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagpaprofit sa online games laban sa mga rich na tao ganito.
We listen and we don't judge.
Magaling maghawak ng teknolohiya.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagdodrawing.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagsasayaw.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagpapatugtog ng instrumento at pagsasayaw.
We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge.
Pag-edit ng video at paggawa ng animation.
We listen and we don't judge.
Soccer at Roblox.
We listen and we don't judge.
Humihingi ng pera.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pag-uutang.
We listen and we don't judge.
Abiso.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagbibili ng agay.
We listen and we don't judge.
Tulong sa mga gawain.
We listen and we don't judge.
Yung tamang pag-spelling ng isang salita.
We listen and we don't judge.
Humihingi ng pera.
We listen and we don't judge.
Hindi pagsunod sa Panginoon.
We listen and we don't judge.
Kapag di matapos ang drawing.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagtatapos sa pag-aaral.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagpapakuha ng kapatid na marka.
We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge.
Pagtapos ang animation.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagkuha ng hidden items sa kahit ano na laro.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ang Panginoon.
We listen and we don't judge.
Karapatan ko.
We listen and we don't judge.
Karapatan ko.
We listen and we don't judge.
My rights.
We listen and we don't judge.
Aking karapatan.
We listen and we don't judge.
My beliefs.
We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge.
Gagamitin ko lahat upang maniwala ang uban sa Diyos.
We listen and we don't judge.
Magamit sa tamang paraan ng talento.
We listen and we don't judge.
Paggamit sa paggamit sa pagtulong sa nangangailangan.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagturo sa kanila sa mga bagay na hindi nila alam.
We listen and we don't judge.
Pagturo sa mga bata na mga aking talento.
We listen and we don't judge.
Gumawa ng mga tutorial kung paano gumawa ng animation.
We listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge.
Ang paniniwala sa Diyos.
We listen and we don't judge.
Matutong magkumbaba sa ibang tao.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ang pagkaroon ng magandang trabaho.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ang successful sa life.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ang tagumpay sa edukasyon at nabibilisan.
We listen and we don't judge.
Tapos ng eskwela.
We listen and we don't judge.
I woke up in the night when this him on a Monday. I can go to him on the church last Sunday.